Here's why a multiple of 0 is always that multiple, to prove how millions of calculators around the United States are broken, because they're only outputting one answer, which is not the answer. $0 per hour times 3-hour day is $0 unless there is $3.33 paid for lunch. That pay is written off by the employer. As manual labor expense. Or you can give someone $3.33 per hour for 3 hours. Get $9.99 for the day. So now, $3.33 for paid lunch sounds financially solutional, unless you want to give slavery wages.